guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I'm going to do a quick DIY for you. And if this is the first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I am excited about sharing this with you because I kept going into the Dollar Tree. I go there almost every day. My husband makes fun of me, but it's, you know, I can't help it. I love the Dollar Tree. And every time I go in, they have these things there. And they are for your garden, for you to hang outside. And I just, somehow, I'm thinking, I want to make something with it. I don't know what it is, but I went ahead and bought 6 of them. And it just connected what I want to do. I want to do a wall art. So a mirror wall art. And so they come in different shapes. This one is the triangle. I may do another one with circle because I just think there's so much you can do with it. So I went ahead and I cut them in half. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with this. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much. I hope that if you are not already a subscriber, that you will decide to become a subscriber. Hit the subscribe button and be a part of this family. Guys, I truly, truly appreciate every single one of you and for sharing the videos. I do desire for you guys to share the videos. The reason why I have a goal. I'm trying to reach 10,000. It's going slowly but surely, so I am grateful. So, guys, I am just taking a scissors and cutting it. Just cut it all the way through, and you'll be able to separate them like this. So what you'll need for this project is 6 bags of these things. You'll also need a mirror. I went ahead and wrapped my mirror with gold ribbon, not ribbon, Walmart sells these tape, and I went ahead and wrapped them with the gold tape. So you will need some gold tape, and if you want to wrap it, it's not necessary. I just said I love to have gold and silver, and I'm going to add a diamond wrap to this, so that's one of the reasons why I have mine gold. You will need foam board, because you need the stability, and you also need something for these, I'm not sure what they're called. Let's see. Wind chimes or something. Where did I put that? Wind twister. So that's what it is. I guess it spins when the wind is going. So you'll need your foam board. You'll need a square mirror. You can get the Dollar Tree mirror, or if you already have some mirror, perfect. Then you will need 6 packs of these wind twisters. You'll need diamond wrap. You'll need your glue gun and your glue sticks. And possibly some gems. I'm not sure yet. So there's no spray paint. We're just going to jump right in. Okay? So guys, after you have cut them, separate them, you will need 11 pieces. So let's move that out the way. Let's get our center. Be generous with your glue, guys. I always say that. Okay. I think that is centered. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can clean off this mirror a bit. Don't have to be too worried about it right now because we're going to have to clean it after we're finished working with it. So, my goal is to line up each side. So take 2 of these and line them up. And I'm just looking for a design. You know, there isn't a right or wrong. It is pretty much what you want to do. I've got glue on here, sorry. So align them, lay them out how you want them to be. I guess that would be pretty too. That could be another project. Let's go with this way. I love that faux look. Excuse me. Okay, so I hope you can see. Okay, so now I've got my mirror glued down, and I'm going to go as closely to the mirror as possible, lay my glue down generously. And then make sure this is laying flat against the mirror. I've not done this, so we're doing this together, and I think I've got this got to remove it. It's too far away. Yes, a bit closer. I'm gonna have to do it over. Add a generous amount of glue and make sure that you line this thing, wind chime, wind twister, against the mirror, closely against the mirror, evenly. And don't worry about the glue showing, because you can add your diamond wrap there as well. I mean, for one, I want it flush against the mirror and have plenty of glue to hold it firmly, because when you pick it up, you don't want it falling away. So, all right, we're going to do the same thing on this side. Lay your glue down. Make sure it's at the edge. Perfectly. I'm going to put a little bit extra glue just for security. These are pretty thin. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for all the way around, and I'll come back and show you before I move to the next step. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out, and now I mentioned to you guys it's going to be quick and easy. Now I'm going to take my glue and line each side of the triangle. Make sure it's right up against the others and lay it down perfectly. Hold it in place until it dries. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and do that for all the 4 sides. Okay guys, so this is where I am right now, and I went ahead and add some diamond wrap around and wanted to do this other side with you guys. It's going to be very difficult to see because of the way it's shaped. So, you know, I'm not even going to bother to try to do it with you. I'm just hot gluing the silver diamond wrap around the edge of the gold mirror. It is going to be impossible for you guys to see that while I glue that on. So I'm not going to attempt But what I'll do also, I'll come back and I want to add some more gems onto this mirror and then hang it up so you guys can see it. Okay? So I just finished adding the diamond wrap, and I pretty much put the diamond wrap all over. And I'm putting gems on the tip of each of the areas here. All the tips will have a gem. And excuse me, I did take the diamond wrap all the way to the end of the tip of each, and I'm going to lay glue down onto the tip of the diamond wrap and then still go ahead and add the gem there. So put a generous amount of glue, that way you're able to have plenty of time to accomplish both. And you will have lots and lots of cobwebs. This project did accumulate a lot of cobwebs. Okay, so I'm gonna add gems all the way around, and I just wanted to share that part with you guys. Okay guys, so I have finished the project and I absolutely love the way it looks. It reminds me of Art Deco in Miami. Love, love, love. I hope you guys do too. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what your thoughts are, if this is something you'd recreate. This is basically a Dollar Tree wind twister. It just spins in the wind for your yard. You take it and glue it onto a mirror with some glue gun, glue sticks, and diamond wrap. That's it. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate your support and your time. If this is your first time to my channel and you're not a subscriber, I hope that you will consider being a subscriber. All right guys, have a blessed night.